I thought, you know what, Elaine? You have no idea what you're getting into. You've done your best to prepare. You're going to do it. All right? Moses said to me, most people hire a porter. It's a source of income. And I said, I think I need 6. And he said, 6? I said, yes, I need 6. I've thought about this. And half of them have to be women.
The Bwindi Impenetrable Forest is a large primeval forest located in southwestern Uganda in the Kanungu district. The forest is one of the most biologically diverse areas on Earth. Half of the world's population of the highly endangered mountain gorillas live within its borders. Other residents include chimpanzees, blue monkeys, elephants, and birds. The park was created in 1991 to protect the forest's mountain gorilla population from poachers and habitat loss. Elaine is 15 kilometers from the border of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, which has been in conflict for decades. The United Nations counted over 100 DRC rebel groups near this border.
The first track was a killer, but it was the easiest, apparently. Uphill, all right, that was about 1,400 meters high. And we had to go up to about 1,200 meters. All right, and we're talking straight up a blessed hill. But because I was coming up behind, I got to stay right on the mound that was on the same level as the gorillas. Okay. The last quarter on the way back, you're thinking, oh, where's the finish line? And then you see it. And then when you see the finish line, I don't know whether it happened to everybody, but I was filled with, it sounds so hokey, but I was filled with a joy that I don't feel that often.
With another long day coming to an end, Elaine celebrates New Year's Eve back at the lodge.
I had just tracked gorillas, so I had to find a really polite way to be, enthusiastic, but deke out right immediately. Mahogany Springs Lodge also sponsors the school that I mentioned. There was a fire pit, and they danced around and they sang and performed, and it was really great, really great. And then I snuck off to my room because I was whipped.